Hey, all right, here we are, guys. Welcome back. Second week of e-learning. This week we're going to finish up the French Revolution, talk some Haitian Revolution, Napoleon, and be done with France. Next week we'll start nationalism, 19th century nationalism, which will eventually lead us to World War One if we have time to get there due to this e-learning stuff. So let's look at this week. Tomorrow, and I'll post all this again. It'll be on Classroom. Uh, Everything will be posted in one big post, so you'll have it all. Uh, excuse me, you'll have it all right there. You'll have this worksheet for tomorrow. Those links all work. You can click on these links here, read the excerpts about the American Declaration of Independence and the French Declaration of the Rights of Man. You fill in the diagram. It's a Venn diagram if this is not for doing it in class, but this will work for us today. It's very simple stuff. It's right there. Remember, open it, copy, put a copy in your drive, change the name, resubmit it. Most of you are doing a fine job with that, no problem. Wednesday, you've got a short ed puzzle over the Haitian Revolution. It's very short, 4 minutes, 32 seconds, 7 questions. Short and sweet. That's all you got to do on Wednesday. Thursday, I'll make sure a video for this today and have it posted later. We'll talk about Napoleon and the end of the French Revolution. It'll be up on Edpuzzle to make sure you guys have seen it. And then you'll fill out the note guide here down below and turn that in. On Friday, Mr. Russell and I are going to give you guys a quiz. It'll be short, somewhere around 15 to 18 questions. It'll be on Google Forms. It is open book, open note, open whatever. Feel free to use your brain. If you're not sure where that is, remember that's your lump 3 feet above your butt. It's right there. Why don't you tickle your cerebellum a little bit with some knowledge that you've learned over the last few days. It's very simple stuff. I don't think it'll take you guys very long. That will be due by the end of the day, Monday, like everything else. Monday, April 13th is the next day. I'm sorry. Is the next day, next due date. So your ed puzzle, your notes. Remember your notes. You're keeping your notes. Do not turn those in. Your assignment that'll get posted tomorrow, the ed puzzle, your quiz. You have until Monday at midnight, April 13th, to turn those in. Any questions, feel free to email me. We may do another video conference here later in the week just to make sure everybody's A-okay with what we got going on. All right? Hope you guys are doing well. Stay safe. No coronavirus. Carol Baskin killed her husband. Bye.